Welcome to Soft Review. In this video, I am going to show you how you can get the RSS feed for any YouTube channel. For that, all you have to do is you can use any module for your RSS finder. In this example, I am going to show you with the make.com. So in here, you can find this module. That's what's added here. And when you click on it, you will have to add this URL in this URL box, and you need to have this URL till here, till the channel ID is equal, and you have to update it with your channel ID. So that's all you have to do. Then you can actually get the RSS feed of that particular channel that you are looking for. And let me show you how you can get this channel ID for the channel that you are looking for. For this example, if this is my channel, if you want to find the channel ID, you need to click here and you need to click on this view your channel, and then it will be taken to this link where you can view your channel. And on top you can see that YouTube domain / channel, and there is some random numbers here. You just need to copy this here, and you need to take it back to your RSS feed, and you just need to replace this URL here. So when you click OK, and you will start getting your RSS feed for whatever you are looking on YouTube. So that's the easiest way to get this RSS feed for any YouTube channel. So if you are looking for the RSS to do something, then this is the best and easiest way to get it. And for this example, I was just looking to make this automation, and that automatically uploads to all the social media channels when I upload a YouTube video. So this is like my social media manager working on automation. So I have not yet added it to my store, but if you are interested, let me know in the comments whether you would like me to add this automation to the store. And thank you for watching, and have a great day. If you learned something new here, don't forget to click the like and share it with friends if they don't know this. Again, thank you for watching. Have a great day.